Before we started Kepler Kiziba back in 2015, refugees in the Kiziba Refugee Camp didn't access high-quality tertiary education.
I had dreams and ambitions that I wanted to achieve, but I didn't have confidence and skills to achieve those dreams and ambitions.
But in partnership with the government of Rwanda, UNHCR, Southern New Hampshire University, we were able to bring a university closer to them.
I was always shy and I didn't like speaking, honestly. I was an introvert. What I improved on is my ability to just speak freely.
Umugore n'abana 7, 5 bize muri Kepler, 3 bararangije, hari n'abandi 2 bakirimo. Ni umugisha udasanzwe nagiriye muri Kepler. Muri 2018 niho barangije 2 bahita banatwimura. N'abana banjye batwimuye. Baravuga papa warakoze, waratubyaye, waradukujije, ubu ngubu bigezeho nawe tukuruhura, uze twicare i Kigali, tuzamuka i Kigali. Gushakisha ibiryo byaramvunaga cyane, ariko ubu ngubu byinshi bari kubikora. Ibyo byose mbikesha Kepler.
The program helped me to think critically and use the skills that I got from the program, effective communication, collaborating with people. I managed to have confidence, to have self-belief, to push our limits.
And we were able to graduate over 200 students with more than 90% employment rate within 6 months of graduation.
The career teams, they even follow you and they don't rest until they make sure that you are having an opportunity. And that's very unique compared to other universities because I don't know any other university that has the same thing.
Kepler ifite akantu k'akarusho, bagira gahunda umwana ararangiza ishuri bagahita bamushakira akazi. Hari ikintu kiba kiyongeye mu kumuryango nawo mubyeyi ukaba waruhuka.
Here in this office we have more than 6 Kepler graduates. It shows how Inkomoko has trusted the quality of Kepler graduates.
I feel excited to be a part of Kepler community. It has impacted over 12,000 Africans. Pleasure to be one of them.
I remember many refugees used to travel more than 15 kilometers to fund printing only. So I get that initiative of starting that business in order to support community, to get what was missing in the community.
I am now working at Inkomoko. I lead my team to help them solve different problems, different challenges, and we give them trainings on those selected ideas. For those who are qualified to get loan, we give them loans to start their businesses.
What I have learned is that my skills are not only mine, but also is for helping the community, giving back to the community, even inspiring others.
When I think of the next 10 years, I see myself as an accomplished person and I hope to give back to the community. I will do that through providing employment to our community here and also helping them improve their lives and even the lives of people surrounding them.
My cohort colleagues, we get time to gather different funds and go there to help vulnerables. We get reconnected with our community, talk to them.
I'm 100% sure that the little things that I have done in my community even inspire other young people, young generation to at least do more than what I have done.
Umunyarwanda yashimye aravuga ngo nzaguhinka. Nanjye nkiba mfite inka nari kuyiha Kepler rwose basi. Sinzi Imana yonyine izabagirire neza. Icyo kintu yapanze rwose kimaze gufasha ababyeyi benshi. Benshi bamaze kuva hariya mu nkambi ariko abana babo bamaze kubigeza imbere. Ntabwo ari ngiye gusa n'abandi benshi ni gutyo.
I am looking forward to Kepler Kiziba continuing to grow and continue impacting young refugee students. Happy anniversary, Kepler Kiziba.